Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we will be seeing job opportunities available for those who completed diploma in mechanical engineering. So today we will be seeing three different things. First will be government job, second is private job, third is apprenticeship training. So we will be seeing two jobs in government and four different jobs in private jobs and three apprenticeship training. Let us see government jobs. The first job is Junior Engineer Mechanical at NHPC Limited. So it's nothing but an Indian government hydropower board working under the ownership of Ministry of Power and Government of India. The main objective is to plan, promote and organize an integrated and efficient development of hydroelectric power in all aspects. They expand their projects and also uses many sources of energy like solar, geothermal, tidal, wind, etc. For further information, you can log in their official website. Age limit will be 30 years. Number of posts is 31 for mechanical diploma holder. Qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering with minimum of 60% mark and equivalent grade. Knowledge of AutoCAD will be an added advantage. Pay and allowances will be 29,600 to 1,19,500 per month plus other allowances. Application fee is for general OBC EWS category 250 rupees and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD and ex-serviceman candidates. Initially, candidates will be need to attend the computerized based online test. Then, after that, the computer based tests and online tests will be held in 12 cities all over India. Based on the merit online test, the final candidates will be offered the offer of appointment. How to apply? I have given the link in the description. You can use that link and directly apply for this job. Interested candidates kindly register and fill the application in NHPC website on or before 30/9/2021. The second job is Project Assistant CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory, Jamshedpur. It's a premier it's a premier Indian research organization dedicated to various facets of minerals, metals and materials, etc. Mainly, it's a diversified under research area ranging from extractive metallurgy and other things. Official website will be given, and if you click on, you can see more details. They will be giving 20,000 per month plus HRDA. A number of posts is 21 for mechanical diploma at various projects. It's purely a temporary basis one. Age limit will be 50 years. No experience is required. And selection process is like you have to register online for interview, and interview will be very high, and the candidates will be shortlisted by screening committee based on the academic qualification and performance. All shortlisted candidates will be provided a link for attending the interview through online by Skype or Google Meet or MS Office, MS Team or video conferencing. And I have given the link in the description. If you click on the link, you can apply for this job, and the interested candidates kindly fill the application on or before 21st September 2021. See here. Now we will be seeing private jobs. The first one will be Diploma Engineer Trainee at ESAP Chennai. Actually, I have given a separate video for this job. You can also refer that. It's mainly a production of welding and cutting equipments and consumables. Those who are interested in this field can apply for this job. It's almost 100 years the company has been running, and they have been a challenging in global market for welding and cutting equipments. For further details, you can visit their website, and experiences freshers can apply or 0 to 1 years can apply. Salary will be 1.5 to 1.75 lakh per annum. Job description is it's hiring diploma engineering training or freshers in mechanical stream only can apply, and passed out candidates in 2019 to 21 can meet them. Walk-in interview is conducted. They have given the address in the official website, and between 10 to 4 p.m. you can go from 14th September to 21st September on all weekdays. Number of vacancies are 15. So diploma engineer trainee can apply for this. It's a full-time job, and interested candidates can apply with the link which I provide in the description. Next is diploma engineer trainee at Sahi India Glass Limited, Haryana. Particularly for this job, I have already made a video. You can also refer that. It's mainly a leading glass company, and they have many headquarters in various countries. Almost it occupies 70% of the market in Indian passenger car glass market. So if you want further details, you just visit the company website. Freshers can apply, and 0 to 1 years salary will be 11,000 per month. If you have 1 to 2 years experience, means 11,500 per month. So mainly what you have to do is you have to ensure the safety operation, you have to report the generation of defects to seniors, you have to run the machine at the defined cycle time, and candidates mainly residing in Haryana region will be given more preferences. Job location will be Haryana, diploma engineer training, and it's a glassfed type, permanent job. Interested candidates can kindly send their CV to the below mail ID and also apply through online. So the link the link I will be providing in the description. Next is production operation training at Mon Humil Filter Private Limited. That's actually a liquid and air filter system, an intake system. Headquarters is in Germany. Almost they have been established in 2005. They have their office and R&D centers in Bangalore. You can also visit their official website. Freshers can apply. Salary will be 1,75,000 per annum. Main job responsibilities will be the operating trainee will be responsible for shop floor operation, and those who completed 3 years diploma holders from any government polytechnic college in mechanical, electrical, electronics stream can apply. PG diploma from any SIPIT institute in plastic mold technology can apply. They will be given extra benefit like stipend of 13,000 per month, medical benefit, canteen, transport facility, etc. So interested candidates can apply through online. The link I will be providing in the description box. Next is Service Engineer and S&T Machine Private Limited, Coimbatore. The job location is in Coimbatore. The company is a wholesaler, exporter and trader of band, saw and milling machines. The link I will be providing in description. You can also visit the official website and see. And freshers can apply for this job, and the salary they haven't disclosed. Job description is how to carry out the preventive maintenance of machines, generate spare inquiry, and responsible to handle daily PM activities. So service engineer and full time, it's a permanent and full time job. Interested candidates can apply through online. I will be giving the link in the description box. Next we will be seeing apprenticeship training. The first one is diploma apprenticeship training at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Hall. I also made a separate video for this. You can also refer that one. And actually it's a state-owned aerospace and defense company running under the Ministry of Defense. Mainly they will be involving in assembling and disassembling of aerospace, and currently involved in design fabrication of jet engines, helicopters, etc. Mainly it expand their facilities all over the India. So for further details you will visit their website. And candidates who have completed 3 years after obtaining diploma certificates are not eligible. So just try to stick on to it. Number of posts will be 50, and candidates will be shortlisted initially based on a mark scored in diploma examination. From that merit list, apprenticeship selection will be taken up, and interested students can apply for this on or before 25th September, and also see the detailed advertisement available in the description. So next is technician apprentice at Garden Research Shipbuilders and Engineers. It's actually India's leading shipyard located in Kolkata and West Bengal. It has been established in 1884 and renamed as Garden Research Workshop in 1960. Next is almost 100 warships were built in this shipyard. It's a great one, right? So try to be a part of it and apply for this job. And candidates who have passed diploma in engineering calendar of 2018, 19 or 20 are only eligible. Age limit is 14 to 26 years as on 1/9. Stipend will be 10,000 per month. Number of posts is 30. And candidates will be shortlisted initially based on your marks obtained in diploma, and after that the merit list will be taken up. So interested students and candidates can apply through online on or before 1st October 2021. I will give the link in the description. Next is technician apprentice at BPCL Mumbai refinery. So it's Indian government owned oil and gas corporation. So we have seen many videos regarding this. It's mainly having 2 large refineries in Kochi and Mumbai, and India's second largest downstream government owned oil corporation is this one. So further details you can just see in official website. And candidates who have passed in the year of 2019, 20, 21 are only eligible to apply. Total number of posts is 17 for diploma mechanical. Stipend they will be giving 18,000 per month. So candidate possessing first class mechanical engineering diploma with 60% mark can apply. So selection will be based on the marks obtaining in the qualifying examination and interview. And interested candidates can register themselves in NATS portal and MHRD by using the above link, and detailed advertisement will be given in the description. I will be providing the link. The interested candidates have to log in to the apprenticeship portal and find the establishment name by searching Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Mumbai Refinery, and then try to apply on or before 24th September 2021. So I hope so. We have got many job opportunities prevailing in and around us, and it's mainly focusing on diploma in mechanical engineering. Share the video with your friends so that others will be getting benefited, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.